In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how you can use the File Manager application on your Android device to save your viewed WhatsApp status in just a few minutes. So that you will not install any third-party application to save your viewed WhatsApp status. And if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open your File Manager application and click on this three dots. Tap on Settings and turn on this option. Click on this arrow to go back. Then, tap on the My Phone option. Click on Internal Storage. Now, select the Android folder and click on Media. Click on the com.whatsapp folder. Click on WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap on Media. Then, click on this Status option. Now, you can access all your viewed WhatsApp status. And if you want to download any of them, just long press on the file. Then, click on the share icon and select the app you want to save your selected file. Following this simple tutorial will help you to save your viewed WhatsApp status using your File Manager application, without using any third-party application. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification, comment, and share to others. Thanks for watching this video.